Buenos deals. So I'm in Bogota airport. I'm going to fly to Medellín today. John Valdez coffee.
We are proceeding with the boarding process for group F of flight.
Yeah, vamos to Medellín.
Kasama ba lang ako pagkawala video?
I'm going to take a bus to Medellín city center. The taxi is so expensive from airport. It's $25. Only take a bus. How much? I don't know. I will see. It was 17 peso. I'm in Santiago district, so I will take a taxi, Uber taxi to go to my hostel. My hostel is in Poblado. Okay, I'll go to my hostel, Masaya Hostel. The taxi was 10,000 peso. Alright, I did my payment to hostel. How much? I don't know. I did my payments for tonight's. It's $33. Masaya Hostel in El Poblado, close to Parque Leras. So I'm gonna have a bit less. So the check-in is at 3 p.m. I came here so early. It's 11 a.m. right now. So let's see. I will have a bit less here. My food has arrived, so I'm going to eat ensalada veggie. The price is $6 in the hostel. It is in Colombia. It's my first day in Medellín, so I'm gonna take a tour in Medellín. It's 3 p.m. right now. The weather is nice today. Bogota was colder than Medellín. Let's see the market here. Colombia market. Small markets here. I'm gonna go to Comuna 13 city center tomorrow. Today is gonna be Parque Leras. because I have to check in, go to bed at 3 p.m. It's my check-in time.
Voy a mandar este teléfono de
It's empty here. Where is that? Here's a nice place. I think this is for nightlife of Medellín. This place is a little bit touristic area. There are some tourists here. Nice place. It's a little bit silent now, so I'm going to take a tour from my hostel. So almost. There are some restaurants, bars, and there is a swimming pool, rooftop bars, jacuzzi, karaoke. Okay, so let's see. So swimming pool, jacuzzi, rooftop bars. Here we kept the boat and rooftop bars. It's nice. So let's go to the top. Oh. It's a nice place for view of Medellín from Masaya Hostel, Medellín. Medellín is one genius city. Look at this.